Satsria call, dubes and dubettes. Today we are in Lavington doing a hiking trail on Haul Trails. It is called East Hill Loop at Grey Canal. So this is part of the Grey Canal Reservoir we've done before, at least by name, but in a wildly different area of the city. Right now, we are really dealing with it because it looks like they got freezing rain up here. So all the ground and terrain is really icy. I brought ice grippers just in case. I'm choosing the side of the road here because this is all frozen over, like no grip. So we're walking on the vegetation, snow, and dirt for its textures to help keep our feet in place. But if the trail continues like this for too much longer, it might be a short one for sure. There's no way I'm going to want to do 100 meters per kilometer in terrain that looks like this. This is hip-breaking weather. Hey, I'm not a fan of chilling out in the dog poo zones, but I mean, what can you do? It looks like the trail is going to split up into dirt now, which should be a fair bit more grippy. Because yeah, this pavement's pretty awful. There's parts that are grippier, but it's so uneven that it's kind of hard to feel like you've got a for sure grip. Caution! Recreational trails. Use at own risk. In case of emergency, call 911. Yeah, I was thinking 411 would probably be faster, but now that they say that, yeah, this isn't too much better, is it? Because I mean, down there is no ice. We didn't come across any ice until the last little bit. Even that lady said, you know, up here there's ice, so I'm going down there. Yeah, so it's probably just an elevation thing. So if we check out somewhere a bit lower, this trail is going to be put into the deep freeze until better conditions can be found. Because it looks absolutely gorgeous in here, and we do want to do it. Yeah, look how beautiful all that is. This is going to be a great hike when we finally get to do it. I don't know if you can see that very well from here, but you see how it's kind of pretty and looks weathered. Well, it's not. That's ice. That's frozen. The whole post is frozen. So it's a layer of sheet ice here. This is why we're skipping this for now, and we'll try it another day. These spikes are just fabulous. Whoa! That was on my back. Whoa! Whee! God, what am I doing? This was dumb. Halba. So we're going to check out a little of the Cosen's Bay area. We're going to look at a nice little mountainy grasslands spot, but the amount of freezing rain that it got just made it impossible. So if you look over there on that mountain, I think that's where we was. Somewhere on that side of that guy. And it did not work out. But that's okay.
Hey, buddy. Hey, where are you going? Hey, look out. Hey, look out. Out of the look. Get out the way. Or lie down. That works too. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. What are you... Stop being a dog, would you?
Well, that was kind of a lovely diversion. Did cut off quite a bit of the hilliness, too.
orange lichen, green lichen, white lichen, marbly rock underneath it. Beautiful.
Recording stopped automatically means that I'm about to run out of battery on this one, because I never get more than 2 full 12-minute runs at a blinking red battery symbol. So I'm going to say my goodbyes now. Well, it's been a beautiful little hike. Not lots in the way of kilometers, not lots in the way of elevation gain, but definitely some interesting challenges today. I'm glad you came with me, and I can't wait to see you on the next one. Whoa, I knee, guys. Whoa, I knee.
Caught a meme on Facebook in one of the hiker groups. There's a guy who's complaining how he can never get his buddies to go with him on his extreme hiking adventures. And then he got married. And then his wife gets to follow him along on all these adventures. And then you get a video of this poor lady somewhere in the middle of nowhere just struggling to get through. I sent that to one of the hikers today. Thought it was kind of a cute joke. Never thought I'd end up with kind of extreme hiking in some areas today. It was just kind of cute.